software engineers, programmers, coders, welcome back to the channel. So this is another challenging C problem. So this is a program that prints all possible different combinations of 3 digits. As you can see on the right side on the console, you're seeing all possible combinations of 3 digits. On the left hand side, you can see the source code. But without further ado, man, let's just get into the source code, because this one was just it was actually quite challenging to be able to like think about this whole algorithm. But with my explanation and commentary, I'll just guide you through it. So let's get into it. So we have the include stdio.h. At this point, you have to know that we have to include stdio.h. I'll not tire from saying this, because include stdio.h includes the standard input-output library for functions like putchar to print characters. So it's important. Even it allows you to even use printf to be able to print characters to the console, so that you can get the output. As you can see, the output on the right hand side of the screen. Then we have the main function. We're going to use the main function in this one. So defines the main entry point. The int main void defines the program's main entry point. Then we've got the variable declaration. So we've got hand, tens, and ones. So these are variables initialized. They're initialized as integers. So that's why you have the int. So we have declared them. Then the nested loops for digit combination. So they have the outer loop, the hand iterates through digits 0 to 9 for the 100 place. We've got the mid loop, tens, iterates through digits from hand plus 1 to 9 for the 10th place, ensuring unique combinations. Then we've got the inner loop for the ones, iterates through digits from 10s plus 1 to 9s for the other place, further ensuring unique combinations. So you can see that it's a nested for loop. Sometimes it can get messy in there, and if you're not able to find out to like separate them and have a clear distinction on how to use them, it can be quite challenging, especially when it comes to debugging. But with that one, we're able to know what nested for loop does what. And yes, then printing the digits. So we've got a putchar into bracket hand plus 0, then semicolon there, then putchar tens plus 0 like that, and ones dot 0 like that. So this prints the current combination of digits as characters. So the plus 0 converts the integer digits to their corresponding ASCII characters. So that's one thing that also kind of tripped me up a bit. I had failed to put like that. I'd put putchar then hand like that, so I was not able to like get the desired output. But the plus 0 converts the integer digits to the corresponding ASCII characters. So that's the part that I had missed when I was developing it, but anyway, included it here in the final solution. Then comma and space, so it's conditional. So if hand is less than 7, check if the 100 digit is less than 7. Then we have the putchar comma and putchar space, which prints a comma and a space after each triplet, except for the last few to avoid trailing commas. So it's actually quite important to like make it orderly. Unless if you don't do that, all of it just combines into one huge block, and you don't want that. So new line and return. So we've got the putchar n, which prints a new line character. Then you have the return 0 to indicate successful execution. So the code will look will print to the console and look like what we have on the left, on the right hand side. So we've got 0 1 2 0 1 3 0 1 4 0 1 5 0 1 6 until we have the end. You have 6 7 8 6 7 9 6 8 9 7 8 9 like that. So yeah, it was actually quite tricky. This one tripped me up a bit because of the nested for loops, and even when it came to like even the curly braces, somewhat just debugging through that. It was actually quite messy there, but this is the final solution. And yeah, man, with my commentary and explanations on that, I was able to like even understand it more. So if you guys like the video, make sure you leave your feedback down in the comments on what you think. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'm out. Happy coding.